So I'm with Jimmy German, sir.
From IIT Madras, 1968 batch.
1968 batch. He was more into music, and that time even YouTube was not there. He was a drummer, and what else, sir?
Well, basically a donkey, and then Bhagwan adopted me. Sir.
And you have been coming to the ashram for the last.
Because of basically we were trained to look for shortcuts everywhere.
Yes.
And very
Not short circuit, sir.
no. Short circuit will produce great amperage, and then we knew that we need to short circuit finally.
Right.
But then shortcuts were always favored. dy by dx equal to 0. That kind of optimizing and all that.
Right.
And therefore ecology and entropy, everything was actually built into it. But it was never really connected with who is it that says that energy cannot be created or destroyed. There was a discovery, there was a law that energy cannot be created or destroyed, because if it were possible to create it or find its source, you need to rise up to go and find it. But to rise up, you need energy. So it was solved that the knowing field of this law, that there's a primary thing called energy which cannot be created or destroyed. This knowing field, is it an energy or not? Finally, it was energy only.
So is that the universal consciousness, sir?
So that is the
energy?
final primary form of energy, is not even consciousness, Ananda.
Ananda.
Because consciousness is quite suffering actually today. Every day, consciousness is saying, I am suffering also along with happiness. Ananda has no memory of suffering.
So what is consciousness for you, sir? What do you mean? What is consciousness?
Consciousness is Ananda, and consciousness become a doership when there is some small tweaking to be done. If tweaking is not done, the baby is not bothered. Baby will just be happy. Moment baby says something, circumstance comes and feeds. So nobody wants to be a doer for too long. Of course, doership is enjoyable if it's a hobby or whatever, but then the doership, nobody really wants to do it all along. Everybody wants to take a break. So the doership wants to have a break, and that break is the same reference point or the gold standard by which you decide that, this activity completed. Ice cream mil gaya. Acha, thank you. Means that activity, that train of blockchain, stops. So in between two different activities is that one which you all want to go into. Laya or absence of doership or samadhi or happiness. All are same.
But you said the consciousness also is happiness. So
Consciousness
and you said it's also unhappiness.
I am saying that consciousness by itself is insufficient if you look at it, because we are already that, and we are having problem.
No, how do you feel consciousness? You can't feel it, right? Like I am the self, the soul, consciousness.
Is felt like you feel the idling gear in a 20 gear super engine.
Mm-hmm.
Each gear has a value only as long as, whenever you're in a certain gear, you say the neutral gear is not seen at all. It's not existing, you say, but that is the Aadhar. Without the neutral gear already present, that means a connection to the neutral gear must be there in every state. Otherwise, you cannot shift gear. If you didn't have that connection, every gear will be absolute. You cannot shift. And that is Brahman. No, that is not so. So that which you cannot shift out is the neutral gear.
Mm-hmm.
So neutral gear is Brahman.
Neutral Brahman.
So you're basically, the Brahman has got three values. One is Ananda, other is Laya, third is sleep.
What is Laya, sir?
Laya is same as sleep. Okay. So Ananda, Laya, and third is boredom.
Boredom.
This is the gateway between Jagrat and Sushupti. मुझे बोर होता है बोल रहे हैं ना. At that time you just finished one work. You finish a work and you sit back. चलो एक कॉफी पी जाए. In between. That was a 300 millisecond, but in that a whole lot of things took place. अभी क्या करे, बोर होता है, all that has come. So that trigger to become a doer happens because of the sense of boredom, which is uninvestigated at its source. Instead of playing with that boredom or in ambiguity. When you see an attractive woman, it's ambiguous, but then you are willing to go and talk. But then with this thing called, which you too quickly you are labeling it boredom. It is the place where still prana and you are engaged. Because the feeling of boredom is a memory which is being formed at that experience. And without current called prana, you cannot do it. So your association with prana is fundamental and it has to be looked at.
Then prana will be part of breath or no? Breath is prana? No.
Prana is like the
soul energy?
Prana is the current which is existing in three forms because of the devices. One is, it is known, inferred only. Prana is inferred and it is experienced as self. Okay? Because there is no differentiation possible with prana and you at that place. Like just as in a Carnatic concert, a man is singing and then while karta hai. If he holds on, hold kiya, at that place that the gap between the violinist and the Carnatic, where the violinist shows his creativity, okay, spontaneity. Does he need to show anything called spontaneity once he's holding the same note? Same note mein pakad gaya, so the concept of time goes away, delay goes away, synchronicity goes away. वो होता है. So प्राणा का 3 एविडेंस है अनुमान करने का. Your own sparsha body, you know.
Sparsha body.
The first, you feel something expanding and contracting.
Right.
Like in an ICU, that bladder is going, no? वो ICU में जो bladder होता है, that is not prana. It is the effect of prana. If the body cloud is waiting to sprout, at that time it will start oscillating. That is the nature. In the presence of prana, it oscillates. Now, the body cloud itself is having your hearing organ. Here, auditory, in this part of the auditory, and inside the auditory cortex, wherever you want to go, सब मन का बकवास है, सब bullshit है, okay? But a practical, useful bullshit forced on you by circumstance to execute your dues. प्रारब्ध खत्म करने के लिए आपको यह दृश्य सत ही रहेगा till then. हाँ, तो one evidence is the sparsha this thing. But the hearing organ also is on the same sparsha field, but it's got its own circuits inside. So the hearing organ is like a studio, and it's recording, let us say Jimi Hendrix. Uska is record karta. But what about the noise of the studio? What about the sound of the inherent sound of the studio, which is your Carnot engine? It will produce a sound. It will eat something. तो उसको आप निकाल रहे हैं ना? नहीं तो उसको ignore कर रहे हैं with proper anti circuits. So the hearing of this studio itself is going on all the time, which we neglect. And if you close and open your ears, then you can eliminate, because the sound which attenuates, you can call it the external sound, and the sound which does not attenuate at all, that is your internal swarupa, sound of the body cloud. So wo uska hearing, you are the hearer. You are the hearer of that.